Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, if you joined me on my grocery run, today I'm going to be using some of the ingredients that I bought to make a really quick, really easy, and really delicious taco beef style mince. So this is a great recipe that you can use that is super quick and you can make in big bulk. So it's really great if you're wanting to do a big food prep, and you can never go wrong. It's always going to taste good. All right, here you go. Are you ready? Okay, so here we have the ingredients that we're going to use for today's beef taco mince. We have a kilo of beef, we have 375 grams or a big container of white sliced mushrooms, combination of red and green capsicum, 3 packets, because I like a little bit of extra flavor, of the Old El Paso salt reduced taco spice mix, some frozen mixed vegetables to add in the mix to get a little bit more plant-based food in there. I'm going to use frozen onion as well, because if you remember from my grocery run, I'm super lazy and don't like cutting onion. And I've also just included here some low-carb wraps, which I think are an amazing, better alternative to the traditional tacos. There's just a little bit of a better option, a bit more protein as well. These are a Mission brand, so they're low carb, but they've got more protein than like your traditional tacos. So this one has, I think it's about less than a gram of protein per serving, whereas these ones have almost 8 grams of protein per serve. So better alternative to your taco shell. All right, so that's it, super simple. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is just chop your capsicum up nice and quick. You don't have to get fancy with it. I just chop the top off, the bottom off, and then I actually get my knife and I chop down the middle to get rid of the seeds on the inside. And that's a really quick way to get rid of it. So just dice these up really quick. You don't need to get super clean with it. It's all just gonna get thrown in anyway. Right, so time for the green capsicum as well. Chop that up again, just slice into the middle stems. Get rid of the seeds. All right, so once your capsicum is all chopped up, then we're pretty much good to go to start whipping everything together. So once your fry pan is nice and hot, you're gonna start by just throwing in a little bit of chopped onions. To be honest, I don't really measure these. I just kind of pour it in until I find an amount that suits me. Some people don't like a lot of onion. I am using a kilo of mince though, so I'm probably gonna put a decent amount in. So that's probably, I'd say, less than a cup. So once your onion is kind of translucent, then the next thing we're going to put in is the mince. So your kilo of mince, just whack that in there. Be sure to break it up. Once your mince is cooked through, then we're pretty much ready to put in all of our vegetables. So first we're going to pour the capsicum in. Just whack it all in there. Mix that around. So then we'll do our frozen veg. Again, I just kind of go by how much veg I want. I probably would put about a cup or 2. And then just stir that around. Just make sure you give it a few minutes for those frozen veg to cook through, but it won't take long at all. And last but not least, we're going to put the mushrooms in. And then stir that around. All right, so now it is time to put our Mexican seasoning. So all you're gonna do, just pour it on there and then mix it around. So you can start to see the taco mince seasoning seeping in and being absorbed by all the veg and the mince, and you can start to see the color kind of change through the dish as well. And that's when you know that it's almost done. So now that the taco beef mince is ready, I'm just gonna bring it over to the counter so we can put it in our wraps. All right, so now that our taco mince is ready, we can start separating it and making our little tacos with our tortillas. So I'm gonna grab my tortilla and I'm just gonna take a big wooden spoon and take a big spoonful. So a dish this size, a kilo, will probably make 10 serves, so about 100 grams of mince per serve. And then fold that up. And you're ready to go. If you prefer to use the taco shells, just take your taco shell, and then with your spoonful of mince, obviously you're just going to pour it in really carefully into your taco shell. So the thing that I love about the taco mince is you can have it as a post-workout meal with your carbs, or you can have it on its own as well. So with the tortilla wrap, for one serving, it's 298 calories. That's 10 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fat, and 19.1 grams of protein. But the best thing about it as well is if you want it without your tortilla wrap and just have the mince on its own, it's 285 calories, that's 8.9 grams of carbs, 18.6 grams of fat, and 18.4 grams of protein. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe out and what you thought. And let me know what you would like to see next. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Gladysha_, do all the things, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.